frog pose really is one of the most powerful postures that we have in Kundalini Yoga. So I'm going to give you a little tutorial on how to do it correctly so that you can really benefit and really have that energy rising effect from this amazing frog pose. Here we go. Frog pose is a really great posture. For example, if you're feeling a little sluggish or tired in the afternoon, you just pop down and do 27 of these and whew, you're ready to go, super energized. You're feeling super clear, super focused. So here's how you do frog pose. What you do is, let me take this off really quickly, and please pardon the socks. It's a little chilly here. What you do is you come standing and you bring your feet together in a little V. And your heels are touching, your toes are pointing away from each other, and then you crouch down and you see that my heels came up off the ground, but they're still together. So you crouch down, heels up off the ground, heels touching, and your knees are out in a V, and you bring your fingertips right here onto the mat in front of you. So fingertips on the mat in between your legs, heels up off the ground and touching, and it's really important in this part of the posture that you keep your heart open and you keep your spine tall so you're not hunched over like this. If you need to, you can always use a block and bring your fingertips on the block like that. Just support yourself any way you need to. So fingertips on the mat, heels up and off the ground and touching, heart open, spine tall. And then the next part of the posture is on the inhale, you straighten the legs, you keep the heels up. You straighten the legs and you drop your head forward and down. And then on the exhale, you come right back down into this posture right here. Inhale, legs straighten just as much as you can. Head drops forward and down. Exhale, you come back down into the posture. Eyes are closed. Eyes stay closed and you breathe through the nose. And there you are, frog pose. Super easy, super powerful. You might feel it in your thighs somewhere, in your buttocks, but that's okay. That's what's supposed to happen. It's the energy moving and you're really, really energizing your body. So give it a try. How about 27 right now? Pop them down and give me 27. All right, bye.